So ladies and gentlemen, you might be thinking that what is all this that is happening now what is happening around here. So this is the most dangerous place in India. You'll say that how this is dangerous. You know, all the name and shame and famed dacoits of India have been in this region. You know, this is known as Chambal Ki Ghati. After that, you might have heard of Phulan Devi. You might have heard of डाकू मलखान सिंह. दिस इज चंबल. क्या यार ये चंबल है ना? यू नो दैट चंबल की घाटी. ये सारा जो है चंबल की घाटी है. जो भी बड़े बड़े डाकू मखन सिंह, महान सिंह, मलखान सिंह, what you call that, Phulan Devi, and all those people, ladies and gentlemen, they all have been from this area. Just see, these are very small, you know, hillocks. They're not hillocks even. I don't know how Indian forces were not able to beat them blue and then catch them and kill them. So they were always there, become members of parliament. बहुत बड़े दिल्ली में पार्लियामेंटस में बीत पाते बड़े बने ताकि मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट सूर डाकू लुच लफंग मुझे तना फिक्री हम क्या करा यार हिंदुस्तान में क्या करूँ क्या त्राट सिंह यार सॉरी सुनो बर्बाद करित क्या ये connivance, there was a connivance between the politicians, the bureaucrats and these dacoits. And these dacoits, you know, just that these very simple ravines, they're not very difficult, they're not very tough, they're very simple, you know. Just see, in these ravines only, these very big dacoits were there. They existed, now they are vanished, no doubt. In this 2020, we are in June 2020, ladies and gentlemen, this corona virus time. That's why you can see that I am with a complete khana. I am with this, all the things here, the water, the you know, breakfast, the dinner, everything is there. Ladies and gentlemen, you can just peep inside, no problem. You are all my brothers and sisters, not a problem, don't worry. You can just peep inside also what is all there. I had taken the breakfast from the hotel also. Now I am on way to my home, ladies and gentlemen. But we were talking about this Chambal Ki Ghati. You know Chambal Ki Ghati, ladies and gentlemen, just have a feel of it. Otherwise, later on you will tell that we don't know this. What is this Chambal Ki Ghati? Chambal Ki Ghati. और क्या चीज है यार? ये भिंड मोरेना ये सारा यहाँ से ही है. शायद भाई ये तो मेरे ख्याल से भिंड मोरेना मध्य प्रदेश, ये जो सारा डाकू का इलाका, जितने बड़े डाकू वो अर्जुन सिंह के साथ में वो उनको फिर सरेंडर करवाता था. पता नहीं क्या यार टकोसला क्या ये सब कुछ ये था पूरा. हाँ ये चंबल, ये जैसे चंबल की नदी. They were talking very high of this nadi, but it's not very big and significant. Yeah, just see that that's the railway bridge, ladies and gentlemen, and then you can just see that we are just crossing the most important, you know, dacoit, this Chambal River now. Chambal River. This is notorious, famous, popular for the wrong reason, ladies and gentlemen. For the wrong reason means that all the biggest dacoits have been here. Thank you very much.